So we discuss about our first topic. Name is very long and all points we cover. So first topic include natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational and irrational number, and lastly real number. Just as a competitive exam, these points are very important to solving biggest questions with easy way. So first we know about natural number. Natural numbers means that number when we start counting as some animals, number of family members in Stone Age. So it's used as naturally and it's known as counting number also. Counting number. Is known as counting number also, and it's start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Means smallest natural number, smallest 1, biggest can't say. It's known as counting number also because these number used for counting. When we count any person or any object, you must start from 1. No one start with 0. Always you start 1, so is known as counting number also. Then next point, whole number. Whole number. As we discover the uses of mathematics, numbers, so many years after in the world we discover the 0 and the number system become whole. So whole number started with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and as so. Means the smallest whole number is 0 and biggest whole number also we can't say. It's simple theme. When discovering the number and theories about and uses, every discovery should with the uses or the need of man. So whatever in mathematics also there are some needs. Numbers are discovered. म्हणजे जशी गरज पडेल तशी आपल्याला या ठिकाणी संख्यांचा शोध लागलेला आहे, तसं ही होल नंबर लक्षात घ्या. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज इंटिजर्स. Why integers need? Integers means a set of negative, look at a set of all positive number 0 and all negative number. Means a group of positive, negative numbers and 0 known as integers. On a number line, at middle 0 and to right hand +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, and from left side -1, -2, -3, -4, all these known as negative number, and here to right hand positive number. Then we discuss about rational number. Next point is rational number. And the rational number is defined as any fraction like P upon Q is rational if and if where Q is not equal to 0. Means all numbers are rational numbers. For example, 5 upon 7, 7 upon 10, 12 upon 15, 15 also a rational number, 25 also rational number because its denominator is 1. 0 upon 2 also rational number. All these rational number means all positive, negative, -7 upon 5 also rational number, -5 also rational number, 0 also rational number because its denominator may be 5, maybe 6, maybe 7. Means these set increasing numbers and its properties also. So all these number known as rational number. Now we discuss here the rational number form and some examples. So the decimal form of rational number and its type. The decimal form of a rational number. Okay, so what's the meaning of decimal form of rational number? And it's have two types. Especially like A is known as terminating decimal form or decimal fraction. Terminating means to have terminate or completed division. Let's see, if 15 divided by 4, you divide it two way as like 15 divided 4 means 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, remains 3, take 0 and here the point means 4 sevens are 28, remains 2, then become 20, 4 fives are means is equal to 3.75, and there next no any digit, so it's known as terminate here. means stop the division, so it's known as terminating. And if you divide like as 15 divided 4 also, 4 3s are 12 minus 3, then take 0 as point taking, 4 7s are 28 minus here 2, then also 0, 4 5s are 20, means here 15 upon 4 is equal to 3.75 is correct answer. म्हणजेच 15/4. It's known as a terminating. The process of division comes to an end, means division process here stop, so it's known as terminating. Next, type number B. B means non-terminating. Non-terminating, recurring decimal form or decimal fraction. When we divided like 1 upon 3, its division becomes 0.333333, but you should write like 0.3 bar. Means 0.3 dot. This meaning of that dot means the number of 3 increases up to infinity. So many example we have take, like 93 upon 3 also, 6.3333, so 6.3 dot. Some very interested example like here, 1 upon 3 is equal to 0.3333. Same like 1 upon 9 is equal to 0.1111, means 0.1 dot. 2 upon 9 is equal to 0.222222. 3 upon 9 is equal to 0.3333. 4 upon 9 is equal to 0.4444, and so on. 5 upon 9 is equal to 0.5555, and so on. 6 upon 9 is equal to 0.6666, and so on. 7 upon 9 is equal to 0.7777, and so on. 8 upon 9 is equal to 0.8888, and so on. So it's very simple to recall, म्हणजे लक्षात ठेवायला पण अतिशय सोपा आहे. Then we discuss about non-terminating, recurring decimal form and rational numbers. The next point is non-terminating, recurring decimal form and rational numbers. Means every number in the non-terminating recurring decimal form is a rational number. Means it's also a definition of rational number. Non-reterminating and recurring. जर आपण वर्गमुळात 2 हे जर पाहिलं, सॉरी वर्गमुळात 2 नाही, कुठलाही नंबर घेऊ शकता तुम्ही नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग मध्ये. समजा 22/7 हा पण आपण भागाकार पाहिला तर आपल्याला त्या पद्धतीने लिहिता येतो. ठीक आहे. त्यानंतर आपल्याला पाहायचं नेक्स्ट इरॅशनल नंबर. It's simple. The number whose decimal form is non-terminating and non-recurring are called irrational number. Means a decimal form is a non-terminating and non-recurring is called irrational number. For example, or any number that have not a perfect square root, square root of 2, square root of 10, square root of 13, all irrational number. Then last type is real number. Real number means all number, means collection of rational and irrational number together form a real number. बघा, collection of all rational and irrational number is known as real number. A collection of all rational and irrational means real number is a biggest group of every irrational number also real number, every real number irrational also real number. All these number whatever तुम्ही काही लिहा, म्हणजे वर्गमुळात 4 लिहा, -7/9 लिहा, 12 लिहा, -10 लिहा, 0 लिहा, 81/22 लिहा, काय पण लिहा. Any number known as real number. Its name show the definition as real number. For using all these numbers we have some ideas, like here making some circle, we show all these number in circle. तर सर्वात जो मिडलला असेल तो नॅचरल नंबर. त्याच्यापेक्षा जरा जो मोठा सेट आहे त्याला आपण होल नंबर असं म्हणतो. त्याच्यापेक्षा मोठा जो आहे तो इंटिजर. त्यानंतर जो पुढचा आहे त्याला आपण रॅशनल. आणि रॅशनल मध्येच एक छोटासा भाग जर पाहिला आपण थोडाफार, म्हणजे काही रॅशनल असेल तर राहिलेला जो एखादा पार्ट आहे तो इरॅशनल. आणि सगळ्यात मोठा म्हणजे हे सगळं सर्व संख्याला एकत्र with including is known as real number. Means some questions asked on them. All natural numbers are whole number. Yes. All whole number are integers. Correct. All integer are rational number. Correct. Rational number all rational are real. Correct. All irrational are real. Correct. All real are integers. Not correct. तर या पद्धतीने आपण हा घटक या ठिकाणी समजून घेतलेला आहे.